Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your smartphone as the second monitor. So instead of getting a new monitor to extend your display, if you have an old tablet, Android or Apple, you can actually use it as a second screen. And here's what you want to do. Now on your computer, you want to open the App Store. I'm going to open the Microsoft Store. And then in the search section here, you want to search for GlidX. You see the GlidX app here. It's actually an ASUS app. Click on it and then install the app. Now on your mobile, you want to do the same thing. You want to go to your App Store and in the search section, you want to search for GlidX. You see the GlidX application here. Now install the application. After installation, go ahead and open the app. And here you want to click on Next. You can do the same on your mobile. Confirm. Agree on your mobile and click on Got it. Now click on Next and this will take you to the dashboard. You can close this. Now on your mobile you need to grant extra permission. Click on OK and then click on Allow. Click on Allow for notification and then click on Next. Click on OK and this will bring you here. Now on your PC here you want to click on Cross Device Operation and you see Extend, which you can use your mobile or PC device as a second display. Now you can click on Search in this section here. Now if you have your mobile and PC connected on the same network, could be your mobile hotspot or your home Wi-Fi, you find your mobile in this list. You can also use USB. If you want to use USB, simply click on Cross Device Operation on your mobile and then click on Notification Settings. Here you see USB connection settings. Tap on this and you see developer option. Now tap on this and this will bring you to About Phone. If you don't get to About Phone, you can simply open Settings, and once Settings is open, you want to scroll till you find About Phone. Tap on this and scroll to the bottom here. You see Build Number. Now tap Build Number until it asks you for your device unlock. Unlock your device and this will enable developer option. And once developer option is enabled, you can go back now and you see System just above About Phone. Tap on this, scroll down till you find developer option. Tap on developer option and scroll till you find USB debugging. Here you'll be able to turn on USB debugging. After enabling developer option, you can also search in the search settings section here for USB debugging. This will take you to USB debugging. Simply toggle it on and then tap on OK. Tap on Allow. And now you see your USB connection is now available. Now you can choose any of these for a connection. And what you want to do next is select an option. And this will extend the screen. Now on any application you have open, when you take it all the way to the right, it will extend to the new screen you have created. Now if you're wondering if the touch screen works on the mobile, yes, it does work. When you tap on minimize or do anything on your mobile, it also works as a touch screen. Now to disconnect, what you want to do is come back to the app here, and inside GlidX here you see your connection type and then you see this connect option here. Now when you click on preference, you also find extra feature here. You can choose if you want the screen to be duplicated and not extended. When you click on this, and then this will apply and duplicate the screen. If you want it to be extended, you can simply switch back to extended and you have an extended screen. You can also choose which desktop appears first. If you want to know which screen you are using, click on Identify. This will identify the screen. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.